Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments that you can add on, as well as the Shots of Life coordinates with our Flavors of the Month, so you can get more pattern paper and embellishments by getting that kit as well. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything you'll get in your 3 add-ons. Starting with your cardstock add-on, you'll receive 3 additional sheets of cardstock, so 2 of one color and 1 of another. This is perfect if you like to do double page layouts on cardstock, then you can have the same color of your backgrounds. Starting with One Fall Day from Bella Boulevard, you're going to get 1 sheet of Kachina and 2 sheets of cotton candy. For the Fancy Pants Design Enchanted Garden, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Red Rock and 2 sheets of caramel. From the Photoplay paper Autumn Vibes, you'll receive 1 sheet of Spanish moss and 2 sheets of beeswax. And Simple Stories What's Cooking, you're going to receive 1 sheet of pimento and 1 sheet of geyser. So as you can see, all of the cardstock matches wonderfully, so you can really have a lot more fun if you add your cardstock add-on. For the pattern paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So this is a great way to get even more patterned paper. We're going to start with Bella Boulevard, One Fall Day. And we have this beautiful fall foliage tree and leaf print with all of these fun patterns, the little gingham check and polka dots. This paper is called Hello Fall. The back is a 2-toned green polka dot. We have Mad for Plaid, which is a yellow with orange leaves and a little dot. And the back, of course, is that pumpkin plaid. For Fancy Pants Enchanted Garden, we have this print that's a play on squares made out of dots. So in the kit, we had the diamonds, and so this is a play on the square. The back is a floral print with foliage. This pattern paper is called Pressed Flowers. Then we have the large floral. This would be super cute to fussy cut and lay over in corners and stuff too, but it's perfect just the way it is. The back is a little floral stems. That paper is called Fields of Flowers. And then Autumn Vibes from Photoplay paper. We have this icon patterned paper with the boots and the sweaters. We have the cup of hot cider and apples and acorns and umbrellas. This is called Fall Frolic. And then we have a plaid in the orange. Beautiful sunflowers on the red. This paper is called Happy Sunflowers, and the back is fall leaves in all of the different colors. And then What's Cooking from Simple Stories. We have a beautiful small pink floral on that yellow background and a pink herringbone. That's paper's called Set the Table. And then we have this beautiful wood grain. This paper is called Kiss the Cook with those beautiful soft pink florals on that golden yellow background. So one more look at your patterned papers. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So you'll get more embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. So starting with One Fall Day, Bella Boulevard, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, lots of borders, an alphabet, word labels. We have photo corners, banners, all of these great icons. So plenty to do embellishing on your pages. From the Fancy Pants Enchanted Garden, you're going to get half a pack of enamel dots that will coordinate perfectly. The Photoplay paper, Autumn Vibes, you're going to get half a pack of those die cuts. So these will vary. I got some titles here, labels and circles. Love the little hexagon there. And then for What's Cooking from Simple Stories, you're going to get 1 of the foam phrases. So you get this one or the other one in the package. Lots of titles. I even got some little florals here for embellishments. So that is a look at your 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month. I'll have a video link here for the Shots of Life if you want to check it out for more pattern paper and embellishments. We also have a December album kit that's limited quantities in the store right now, so I'm going to add that video here if you're interested in documenting December. It will show you everything that you're going to get. That kit is jam-packed. So be sure to check out everything in the store. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.